Uh-oh, Hero 11. So Hero 11 just went off first, and Hero 10 is still going. Let's just see how much longer the Hero 10 lasts. I didn't expect that to happen. So let's just get right to it. The Hero 11 came out, and a lot of people are asking, did they fix the overheating issue? So we're gonna test that out. We have the Hero 10 and the Hero 11 here. We also have the temperature gun, and we're gonna put them both on 5K, 60 frames per second. They have the exact same settings, exact same brightness. We won't turn the displays off. We'll see at what point it overheats. I'm also having the Enduro battery in the 11 and the GoPro stock battery in the 10 because that's what they come with. Here we go. Let's go ahead and hit start there and start here. A couple things that I should mention. I don't work for GoPro. This is just for testing purposes, kind of for fun and to show you guys what my results are. But your results might vary depending on how hot it is in your room. Also, there might be firmware updates that will fix any kind of problems. But I also need to clarify that when you have overheating problems with your Hero 10, it doesn't mean that the Hero 10 has the problem. A lot of times it's how you're using it. Maybe you have the wrong SD card. I find that this is the best one to use right here, the SanDisk Extreme Pro. That one right there. The other thing is how you're filming it. So a lot of times people will take it to a baseball game or whatever and set it there on 5K 60. And I mean, you don't even really need to have Hypersmooth on because it's on a tripod. So they do have that power saving mode that you could turn on, and basically that will turn off your Hypersmooth. Also, you probably don't need 60 frames per second. You probably do 30 frames per second, and you might not even need 5K because 4K would probably fit most of your needs. So there's a lot of things that you can do as a consumer to help with overheating issues. So if you're gonna go out and film something for 2 hours straight, I wouldn't put it on 5K 60 or 4K 120. All right, so 4 minutes in, and the Hero 10 is at like 96 degrees Fahrenheit, and the Hero 11 is actually only at like 85 degrees Fahrenheit. So what's gonna happen is one of these will show that sign that it's overheating and to stop recording. And while we wait for that, I wanna tell you that I'm giving away a Hero 11 on this channel, which is really cool because it's a small channel to give away a GoPro. Actually, I've given away a Hero 9, a Hero 10, and now a Hero 11. But this one is thanks to Telesin. If you didn't know, Telesin, they have awesome accessories for the GoPro, and they actually reached out to me and they're like, hey, we want to do a Hero 11 giveaway to one of your lucky viewers. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I'm drawing a name at the end of the month. Check down in the description because you'll see all the information. And also, while we're here, I might as well say welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way. If you are new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And I mean, we have a lot of time, so maybe click that button as well. And I also want to thank you, the viewer, for watching this because I know that there's probably a lot of GoPro videos you could be watching at other channels, and the fact that you're here means a lot to me. So I really do thank you for that. So Hero 10 at 7 minutes 43 seconds is at 106. Hero 11, we are sitting at 102 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's 8 minutes into it. So Hero 11 has 77% left, and the Hero 10 has 73% left. If you have any questions as a viewer as to like anything that you want me to test out a little bit more thoroughly, please let me know, drop a comment. I do check them out. I don't reply to all of them, but I do see the comments. So I also have this Action 3. So lots to do. It's a crazy month. 9 minutes in, and so far they are both going. So Hero 10 is at 118. Hero 11 is at almost identical right here. So physically hot. Yeah, like I'm touching them and I feel the heat. If I was to temperature gauge the top of them, 121 degrees Fahrenheit on the Hero 10. This is 13 minutes into it, and 124 degrees Fahrenheit on the Hero 11. So they're both getting hot, but which one is gonna outlast? Maybe they'll both go at the same time. But the moral of the story is these are tiny little cameras, and they're gonna get really hot when you run them at the highest resolution and highest frame rates. Uh-oh, Hero 11. So Hero 11 just went off first, and Hero 10 is still going. Let's just see how much longer the Hero 10 lasts. I didn't expect that to happen. Temperature on top is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. I could obviously turn this back on and probably still get more recording time out of it. But for this testing purpose, I just want to see how much longer the Hero 10 is going to outlast. Everything else, oh, there we go. Okay, so 15 minutes and 50 seconds, and the Hero 10 went out. Both are fairly hot to the touch. Yeah, I feel it. So obviously we tried to make this overheat, so don't think, oh, I'm only gonna get 14 minutes out of my GoPro or 15 minutes out of my GoPro. That's not really what the test was about. It was just to see how long they outlast each other. So if I wanted this to last a lot longer, I would turn off Hypersmooth, turn off GPS, turn off Wi-Fi, turn off voice commands. I would put it on 4K 60, maybe 4K 30, and that would give it a lot more runtime. I thought the Hero 11 would last a little bit longer, but it doesn't mean it's a worse camera. There's a lot of factors at play, and maybe it was just protecting itself in a better way and protecting the battery so that when it does overheat, it doesn't, like, you know, kill the camera. But there we go. Hopefully that was helpful and you enjoyed this content. I know it was just me sitting here testing it out, but a lot more videos and Hero 11 videos coming up on this channel, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.